Welcome to English Library channel. Two times more. Three times more. Five times more. Ten times more. Hundred times more. Thousand times more. You should search that. Should you search that? You should not search that. Shouldn't you search that? They published the news. Did they publish the news? They didn't publish the news. Didn't they publish the news? The vehicle approaches us. Does the vehicle approach us? The vehicle doesn't approach us. Doesn't the vehicle approach us? They asked him many questions. Did they ask him many questions? They didn't ask him any questions. Didn't they ask him any questions? We have a shop nearby. Do we have a shop nearby? We don't have a shop nearby. Don't we have a shop nearby?
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம நம்மளோட சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இதே மாதிரி நிறைய சூப்பரான வீடியோஸை பார்க்க மறக்காம பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணி ஆல் அப்படின்னு செட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. மறுபடியும் இதே மாதிரி ஒரு சூப்பரான வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். Until then, you take care. Thanks for watching.